how to start and scale your digital marketing agency and consistently land high-paying clients without experience, cold calling, or spending money on ads, all on automation. What's up, guys? My name is Jordan, and in today's video, I want to announce to you guys that my webinar training has finally been released. I know that most of you guys have been asking for this. You guys have been asking for my automated systems, how to land clients consistently automated, how to deliver the service automated, and then how to close your clients without saying a single word. So it's finally been released. The link is in the bio, and I'm going to go over what is going to be taught in this 80-minute webinar training. So I'm going to go ahead and just minimize myself real quick here so that you guys could see what's going down in this webinar training. So that is me when quarantine didn't start. As you can see here, I definitely need a haircut. Here I got a little fade here, so don't mind the haircut. Don't make fun of me for that. So this whole, I finally put it together. It's been a while. I spent a very, very long time getting it right, getting it perfect, and just giving a ton of value so that you can use for your own agency. So this training is going to teach you exactly what it says. I'm going to teach you, whether you are a beginner looking to jump into starting a digital marketing agency, whether it's to, start a passive income, online income, whether it's to start a side income, quit your 9-to-5, you want to go full time in this, then this is who it's for. It's also for people who are currently agency owners, but you feel a little stuck. You might be at 2-3 clients, or maybe you're at 0 clients, but nonetheless you want to grow your agency, you want to land more clients, and you want to figure out more systems to help you do that, whether it's helping you land more clients or even helping you deliver a better service, because I know some of you guys really are having trouble delivering a solid service to keep your clients on your agency and paying you every single month. And then some of you, might have trouble closing your clients. You're reaching out, you're prospecting, and you're getting booked calls and things like that, but you don't know how to sell and you can't close these clients. And I'm the same way. I'm terrible at selling. I'm not a great sales guy, and this is why I teach how to sell. I'm not teaching how to sell, but I teach you how to put a system together to do the selling for you. And that way you don't have to do any selling. By the time you hop on a call, it's, you've already closed the prospect, and that's how we have such a high closing rate. So, like I said, this webinar training is going to teach you whether you have experience or 0 experience. You can have 0 experience, 0 knowledge, or you're an agency owner. This is going to be perfect for you to learn how to start and grow your agency. So in this 80-minute free training with myself, I'm going to show you guys my ADS strategy. It's a strategy that I came up with, that I built, and what it does is it helps me land high-paying clients on automation without any experience, cold calling, or spending money on ads, and this can be done in 2 hours or less per week. That's how I'm able to put together these YouTube videos and do the things that I want to do and stuff like that. So when you're starting out your digital marketing agency, yes, the end goal is to have some type of income, that online income, so that you don't have to go to work or whatever your reason is. Everyone has different reasons, but mainly this is going to help you have an online income, and it's going to pay you every single month depending on how many clients you land, right? And so once you start your digital marketing agency, the next goal is to automate your business as much as possible, if not fully, right? And I've gotten to that point, and I'm pretty much, put together my strategies and my systems to help you guys automate your own agency. And I'm going to show you guys all of that as well. And so the second thing I teach you is a simple service I use to deliver amazing results to keep clients happy and paying every single month that requires no tech skills or any marketing experience. I put this together, this entire webinar training in the position where I'm going to be teaching, people that have 0 marketing experience and 0 marketing knowledge. So, if you have no idea what I'm talking about, what digital marketing is, this is exactly for you, because, I'm putting myself in a position where I first started out, where I had 0 marketing experience, 0 marketing knowledge, and when I had 0 guidance and things like that. So this is for you if you have no idea what I'm talking about, but you want to start some type of online income, then this is for you. And if you're an agency owner who is struggling looking to scale, this is going to also help you out. And then the last thing I'm going to teach you is my VCL system. And what it does is it's going to teach you how to close high-paying clients without saying a single word or being a good salesperson. I've said this over and over, guys. I don't do any of the selling myself. I have a sales team in place. Even though I did post that one live sales call on my YouTube channel before where I hopped on and it was a super easy close. And the reason for that is because of my VCL system. It does the selling for you, so that way by the time you hop on a sales call, there's not a lot of resistance, there's not a lot of objections. If you hop back, just go through my YouTube channel, you're gonna see my live $2,500 sales call that I did. You're gonna see how there wasn't a ton of resistance and things like that, and not a lot of objections. I saw in the comments, wow, I wish I could come across more clients like her, like that person, where they didn't argue with you about anything. They were just ready to sign on, right? And the reason why I'm able to do that is because of my VCL system, and that is taught in my third secret right there in my webinar training. So these are the exact strategies that I've used to grow my agency to 6 figures within a few months off from my bedroom. And you're going to be able to learn all my systems, my methods, my strategies through this training. All you have to do is register for it. You just click on access free training. You just enter your name and your email address, and we're going to send you that 80-minute free training. I gotta update that to 2 hours. It's 80 minutes. But yeah, guys, it's a ton of value. You're going to learn exactly how I've been landing clients all on automation. I don't do any of the prospecting myself. You guys, for those of you that have been following my channel, knows that I don't send out my cold emails myself, and I don't prospect, I don't message my potential clients myself. That is all automated. And then once we have booked calls, once we start getting booked calls with potential clients, I don't even do any of the selling because I have a team in place that hops on a sales call for me. Just because, like I said, guys, I want to take myself out the business as much as possible. I started this whole digital marketing agency because I want that time freedom, that location freedom, and that financial freedom. And the more you take yourself out of that business, that's how you're going to be able to achieve that. And your sales team is able to have a high closing rate, and you're able to land much more clients for your agency, is when you have a VCL system in place that does all the closing for you prior to that phone call, right? That is way much more effective. So if you can set up a system that closes your clients before hopping on that call, you are going to be able to scale your agency, right? So you're going to learn that on this third secret here. And then the other thing is you're going to see how I'm able to retain clients, right? A lot of agency owners, for those of you who are agency owners, get where I'm coming from. You know that when you sign on a new client, you might struggle with delivering the service. You might not deliver great services or meet expectations, and your clients starts to drop off, right? Your clients, whatever clients you sign on, you work so hard for tirelessly, you paid money to get these book demonstrations or book calls or whatever that you do, and you get paid out and you're so excited that you have a client, and then after a month, 2 months, or even 3 months, they drop off because they're not seeing the results that they really want to get. And all of my clients, we have super high retention rates. I have clients that has been with us since my agency has been been open, pretty much been running. So over like a year and a half now, a year to a year and a half now, we still have clients from then still with us today. So you're going to learn how I'm able to keep clients happy by giving them amazing results and keeping them paying me every single month. That's probably the most important thing when running an agency, right? The first step is obviously, when you work hard to get your clients, whatever, but if you can automate that, then all of a sudden that becomes easier. The second thing you gotta worry about is to deliver amazing results and keep those clients happy so that they continue to pay you and be with your agency and continue being a client. And once you can automate that part and deliver amazing results, your agency starts to become really easy. You take yourself out the business, and that's when you're able to have that 6 to 7 figure agency. And then you can read some of my testimonials. It's not a long page or whatever. You just go through it and you can access the free training. So look, guys, I look forward to having you guys watch my free training. I want your guys feedback on this. Leave the feedback in the comment section below. Let me know if the webinar training is helpful to you. It's 80 minutes long. So yeah, comment below if it was helpful. Let me know what I could add to it to make the training even more valuable. That would be even more helpful to you guys. So yeah, the link is going to be in the bio right below. It should be the first link. Click on it. It'll take you to this page where you can access it, and let me know. And if you guys want to learn more about growing your agency, know more about my content, my strategies, I'm always releasing new strategies and methods and systems on my YouTube channel so you can take and learn to grow your own agency, scale your own digital marketing agency, whether you're a beginner, an expert, zero experience, zero knowledge. You're going to be able to get that through my YouTube channel. So give it a subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.